Welcome to the Zebrabuzz platform. Today, I'll walk you through the process of enabling the Get Started button on your Facebook page. Before we begin, ensure that your Facebook page is connected to your Zebrabuzz account. If you're unsure how to do this, please watch the video linked in the description. Zebrabuzz is an AI-driven social media automation platform that also offers email and SMS marketing automation. It's designed to help online business owners collect leads and sell products through automation. Now, let's move on to the steps for enabling the Get Started button on your Facebook page. On your Zebrabuzz dashboard, click on the Bot Manager menu. Select the specific page where you want to set up the Get Started button, then locate the Get Started settings. A welcome message text box will appear. Click on Edit Get Started Reply below the text box to customize your reply. On this page, choose the type of reply you'd like to set up. In this example, we're setting up a simple text reply. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click Save. Now return to the Get Started button settings. You will see a drop-down menu to enable or disable the button. To activate your Get Started message, select Enable, then scroll down and click Save. Great job! Let's see how it works. Go to your Facebook page, open the Messenger chat, and you should see the Get Started button. When you click on it, the text reply you set up in Zebrabuzz will appear. That's how you set up your Get Started reply. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.